Hello THS, this is Azalea Roberts here for the afternoon announcements. Seniors, make sure you are checking the high school website for local scholarship opportunities. Some deadlines are approaching in October that you do not want to miss out on. Academic Decathlon supplies are here. We'll have a meeting this Thursday morning on the 27th at 7:30 a.m. to go through our supplies. If you want them earlier, please come to Senior Juliet's room anytime at 2:48. The deadline for October ACT is this Friday, September 28th. The October test might be your last chance to take the ACT and get your scores back in time for college application deadlines. Manufacturing Day field trip opportunity. Please sign up for the Google form in your school email. The Activities Department is now taking the sign-ups for the winter sports season. Forms are available on the table outside of the office and are due by October 3rd. It is Lily Stewart's birthday, so when you see her, make sure you say happy birthday. And this has been the announcements.